Lawtonwood Lavender is the name of my Lawtonwood Lavender farm. We have about 350 lavender plants, and we sell fresh products at the farmer's market. All the lavender is grown here at my home. We live on the upper avenues, sort of a little bit north of the U on the mountain. And most of my property we have just a little bit less than an acre of land, and almost all of it is lavender except for the house. We make all kinds of stuff with the lavender. We experiment every year and try to add something fresh every year. But most of our products are fresh. So we build one-of-a-kind wreaths. We do garlands, we do bouquets, and we do sachets, and we do teas, lavender teas. I do lavender because I love lavender, because I love the sense of community it generates. I like sharing it. I like the fact that it comes in real abundantly so that you can give it away abundantly. I love selling at the market, meeting people that go there to buy their produce every week and come to us to get, just a great scent and a great conversation. I love the fact that it brings people, it attracts people, lavender does. It just makes people happy. So that's why I do it. So this year, for the first time, Lawtonwood Lavender is including an acre of land that is a little bit south of here that has natural irrigation. Every 8 days, we get to open up the creek, the Brigham Young Creek, and pour water down on this garden. And this year, we're going to be growing tomatoes and squash and rhubarb and artichokes and melon and basil. And we're going to create baskets that can be delivered to your home every week that will include whatever is fresh that week. Always tomatoes, since those are the big ones that everyone loves, and an abundance of lavender. So every week you can get delivered to your door a basket of fresh vegetables and lavender. And we'll do that all online so that you can call and sign up if you want to. And we're just going to start doing that as soon as the tomatoes come in. And we're really excited about it. The best place to look for us is on Facebook at Lawtonwood Lavender and at the market. And we sell only at the Salt Lake Farmers Market. And we sell when the lavender is fresh. So that's usually the last week in June and the first few weeks in July. And then we also have another harvest at the end of the summer and the beginning of September. So we're at the market end of June, 1st of July, and again at the beginning of September.